Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. Hope you are doing well. Hello Akshaya. Hello Viral Videos. Hi Sai Prashad. So today is day 15 and today we will be discussing very important questions from Arithmetic section. There will be 10 questions based on 5 different topics, and the topics are profit and loss, ratio, mixture, and we will be doing pipe and cistern and partnership. We will have 2 questions from each topic. Hi ma'am, where can I find the mock test series? You need to mail your email ID to the support team and then go and check it. You are given the access. You just need to log into cracku.in with the mail ID you have provided to our support team. You are given access to that mail ID. Hi Suresh, hi Aryanth. So you can find it there, and yes, congratulations. Do practice the mocks. So these 5 topics, that is profit and loss, ratio, mixture, that is mixture and allegation, and pipe and cistern and partnership. So 2 questions from each topic, which will make 10 questions, and to join this quiz you need to join to cracku.in/live so that you can take part in the quiz. As if you are among the top 3 people, you will be getting a gift hamper, that is IBPS mock test series. This will have 25 mock tests both in Hindi and English. तो अगर आपको हिंदी में देना है आप हिंदी में दीजिएगा और गो विथ इंग्लिश. हाय संद्रा. Ma'am, small request, can you speak in Telugu? If I do speak in Telugu, there are many students will not be able to, so we are keeping it a language that can be reached to everyone, till everybody can understand that particular language, that is English. And even you have your exam in English or Hindi, so this will help you in the exam too. Everybody please do join here. Today we will do important question from Arithmetic section. We will have different approach, and this day 15 is for IBPS Clerk Pre Crash Course series. Hi Anaga. So shall we begin? Shall we pose the first question? If anyone who want to attend this test, please do join here to cracku.in/live. See, in profit and loss, while you are doing this, remember few things which are very important. When you apply a profit or loss, you get the profit percent or the loss percent on the cost price, not on the selling price or anything else, but on the cost price. Whereas when you are taking a discount of something, then the discount is given in the marked price, not in the cost price, but the marked price. And after the discount, the price you get is the selling price. So these are the basic things you need to know. That is, profit or loss is given on cost price, discount percent on marked price, and after the discount you get selling price. Cost price plus profit or loss is your selling price. Hi everyone, do join to cracku.in/live. These are the few things you need to know while doing profit and loss problems, these are the basic concepts you need to know, that where is the discount percent, where do we use the profit percent or loss percent. Pipe and cistern, they are easy questions, and these are mainly of time and work type. Hello Yogendra. Chalo, I am posting the first question. Here we go. Each question has a timer of 1 minute. You need to solve that question in that particular time and mark your answer correctly. Everyone who is joining new, please come to cracku.in/live to take part in this quiz, so that either you can be among the top 7 people and see your name among this, or you can be among the top 3 people and win a gift hamper. Just read the question. This is really very easy question. Hi Venkatesh. Okay, and the time is up. We have 5 correct answers and 3 wrong answers. Let us see how do we solve this. The question says, hi VP. Okay, we will see whether it is D or B. Let us solve the question first. A shopkeeper mixes 98 liters of water in a certain quantity of pure milk to make the milk to water ratio 9:7. So, one thing we know is the 7 unit given is 98. Okay. As first we had the pure milk, he mixed 98 liters of water in this pure milk to make the ratio 9:7. So, we know the quantity of water, right. So, quantity of water, that is 7 unit is 98. So, can we find 1 unit? Definitely. What is 1 unit? Just you do 7 1s are 1 and 2s are 48. Later he mixes more pure milk to make the ratio of milk to water 3:1. So, if you know the value of 1 unit, can we find the value of 9 unit? Definitely 9 into 14. So, what is 9 into 14? If you are finding it to calculate, you do not remember the table of 14, then you just do it. 14 into 10 is 140, come back 14, like minus 140 minus 14 is 126. So, this is the quantity of pure milk. Now, what he did is, he later mixes more pure milk. So, let he mix x liter of pure milk to the ratio to make it 3:7. So, can we say this? If we are considering milk here and the milk is to ratio is 3:1, it is 126 plus x divided by the water we had, as he is not mixing any amount of water. You just need to solve this. It is 126 plus x is equals to 93 into 3. Again, if you are finding a difficulty to calculate or multiply this, just do it. 3 into 100, it is 300, come minus 6, because this is 2 times less. So, 3 into 2 6. So, you need to do minus that and you will get 294. X is equals to 294 minus 126. What you get is 168. Option B is the correct answer. Yes, Prabina, option B is the correct answer, and yes, Yogendra, option B is the correct answer, and 5 people got this correct and 3 wrong. So, let us go to the next question. See, I am solving all the question from the basics so that you understand like what is the steps we are following, and if you are good with it, you have practiced it already, then you can just see the question, you can know that if it is saying 7 unit is 98. So, obviously obviously 1 unit will be 14 and you can get it easily and solve this. Something special, madam gives some tricks in exam. Yes, surely there are methods where you can solve these questions very easily, but first let us understand the concept of the questions, that how do we solve this. And definitely we will come up before the examination, we will come up with a booster session where you get all the tips and tricks for the examination, so that you can do it very quickly. That will help you in the examination. Okay, with this 9 people got this correct and 4 wrong. So, a dishonest shopkeeper sells rice at cost price, but uses a weight of 800 gram for a kilo. So, for a kilo, that means for 1000 gram, what he is giving? He is just giving 800 gram. So, what is the error amount? It is 200 gram, right? Yes, we know the error amount, we know what he is giving. Can we find the profit percent he is making from this? Definitely, profit percent is, see, in this case you can use a direct formula that says profit percent is equals to error divided by true value minus error value into 100. So, this is the formula, you can use this and get the answer, but if you are not using it, you can just do profit percent is equals to, we know what is the error amount he is taking for himself, on which he is getting the profit, as he is selling the amount in the cost price only, but he is getting that extra benefit from selling that 200 gram or hiding that 200 gram. So, it is error amount is 200 gram. What is the weight he is selling? It is 800 gram. What do you get? It is 25%. Option B is the correct answer, and 9 people got this correct and 5 wrong. How many arithmetic questions are asked in the examination? There are nearly 10 to 11 arithmetic question, or you can keep it in the range of 8 to 10 arithmetic question in the examination, and these questions are from different sections. They are sometimes age related, sometimes average problems, interest problem, partnership problem. These are some basic things that are given in the examination, and if you know the concept, they are really highly scoring, as they are very easy and you can just calculate them without using a pen. So, option B is the correct answer. Let us go to the next question now. Okay, I will write the formula, so you get it clearly that you can use this formula to find any value. If the profit is given and the true value is given, you need to find the error value. You can use the same and just get the answer. Profit percent is equals to, and this is for the default one where the shopkeeper is dishonest, error value divided by true value minus error value whole into 100, as we are finding the percentage. So, this is a direct formula, you can apply this and get the answer. Chalo, let us go to the next question. Anyone who is joining new can come to cracku.in/live to take part in this quiz. We have, this is the third question, we have only done 2 questions till now, so there is still time, you can join. Seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. Here is one person who is with the perfect score 3. He got all the 3 answers correct till now. Okay, let us see, is it D or B? With this, 6 people got this correct and 4 wrong. Chalo, let us solve this. The question says, in a city, 68% population is literate, in which the ratio of number of males and number of female is 11:6, and if the number of illiterate males to the number of illiterate female ratio is 3:1, find the ratio of literate female and illiterate female. Okay. What is the total population? 100%. Let's take this to be 100 only, 100 units. So, whatever it is, whatever is the value of 1 unit, we will multiply and we can get the answer. As it is 100%, so I am taking it to be 100 unit. What is the people who are literate? I am just indicating that with L. It is 68%. So, that means it is 68 units, as 68% of 100 is 68. So, what is for the, okay, let us first do this here. We have 11:6, that is male is to female ratio. So, what will be male? 11:6, total it is 17. To find the fraction, can we do this? 11 by 17 into 68, you will get the value of what is the quantity of male or what is the number of male in units. For female, it will be 6 by 17 into 68. Do you remember in earlier classes I have always said, do remember the table from 13 to 19, that is really very helpful in the examination. Yes, you know 17 ones are 17 and 17 fours are, remember 17 into 2 is 34, you just need to remember this. So, into 4 if you do, that is doubling this, it will be 68, simple, again 4s are. So, it is 44 and this is 24, all the values are in unit. Similarly, if we know the literate people, can we say rest 32% are illiterate? Again we know the ratio here. Okay, let me write there if this is not visible. Okay, these people are literate. So, this side let us say illiterate. So, remaining 32, that is 100 minus 68 are illiterate. So, in this 32, what is the amount of male? It is again 3 and 1, adding this the total is given 4 unit. Number of male is 3 into 4 by 32 and female is 1 into 4 by 32. Yes, what is this? 8 ja. What is this? 8 ja. So, 24 and this is 8 unit. What do we need to find is illiterate, literate female to illiterate females. What is literate female? It is 24 unit. What is illiterate female? It is 8 unit. Just find the ratio. It is 24:8, 3:1. The correct answer, that is option C is the correct answer. And 6 people got this correct and 4 wrong. Am I clear? How have we done this? Remember, when we are taking the ratio, obviously the things are getting cancelled out. So, whether you consider it to be x or unit, obviously they will get cancelled out. So, it is better to take 100. So, it is easy to calculate without getting into a complex problem. Chalo, let us go to the next question now. Seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. 2 people got this correct and 2 wrong. Remember, discount is given on marked price. With this, the timer is off. With this, we have 5 correct answers and 6 wrong answers. Chalo Anaga, let's see what is the answer. You can join here to cracku.in/live to take part in this quiz. Chalo, we will solve this now. On giving a discount of 25% on MRP of an article, what is MRP? It is maximum retail price of an article. The trader earns a profit of 20% if the difference between the MRP and cost price of the article is 180 rupees. What is the MRP of the article? Okay, is the questions being posted early? Okay, don't worry, our technical team is up to that. They will see the thing. Let us solve this. Hi Vandana. So, do you remember what I have said? When you calculate profit, it is done on cost price. When you go for discount, it is done on marked price. Your marked price is your maximum retail price, that is MRP. So, let us consider MRP to be M and cost price to be CP, marked price and cost price. Okay. The first sentence is saying, on giving a discount of 25% on MRP of an article, the trader earns a profit of 20%. So, on giving discount of 25%, what does the selling price is now? If I am giving 25% discount, then obviously the selling price is 75%, right? It is 100 minus 25. So, the selling price will be 75% of marked price. Remember, as the discount is given on the marked price, and if you are giving 25% discount, that means it is selling the product in 75% of marked price, not the cost price, but of marked price. The other thing is said, the trader earns a profit of 20%. Where is the profit applied? It is in cost price, right? So, CP plus 20% of CP, or you can say this is 120% of cost price is equals to selling price, as he is getting 20% profit. So, this will be the selling price. They are the same selling price as the product, only there is one product which is sold. So, obviously, we can say 120% of CP is equals to 75% of marked price. Percentage and percentage gone, one thing 3 into 5, 3 into 8. So, it is 8 CP is equals to 5 MP. What is the ratio of cost price and marked price now? What you get is CP by MP is equals to 5 by 8. What is it saying? The difference between them is 180 rupees. What is the difference between 5 unit and 8 unit, or you can say 8 unit and 5 unit? Obviously, if it is in positive, it is 3 unit is equals to 180 rupees. So, 1 unit is equals to 60 rupees. Am I clear till here? Please let me know. We got the price of 1 unit. We know marked price is 8 unit. What do we need to find? We need to find the marked price. So, if you have 1 unit, can you find 8 unit? Yes, 8 unit is equals to 60 into 8. So, it is 480. Option A is the correct answer. And 5 people got this correct and 6 wrong. Chalo, let's go to the next question. Am I clear? We got the value of 1 unit. Okay, yes, definitely I can explain once more. Chalo, I will start it from the beginning. Remember, profit percent is always on cost price and discount is always given on marked price. Okay. It is said that the discount is given on 25%. So, when you give a discount on a product, okay, I am selling this, I told you, okay, you can take this pen in 120 rupees, you said no, please do it less, please do it less, okay, I am saying, okay, I am giving you a 10% discount, you said okay. Now, if I am giving you a 10% discount, that is I am subtracting 12 rupees from this, so whatever price it is, that is the selling price, right. So, here the selling price will be 100, that is 100% of the marked price minus 25% of the marked price, that is again 75% of marked price. He sold the pen after 25% discount, that means he sold the pen at this rate. When he sold the pen at 75% of the marked price, then he got 20% profit. Now, profit is always on the cost price. So, selling price, if we know the profit is cost price plus profit, cost price is CP, profit is 20% of CP, this is 120% of CP. Are you clear till here? Now, you know the selling price with respect to the cost price, you know the selling price with respect to the marked price, these selling prices are equal, then just equate them. 120% of CP is equals to 75% of MP. Just find the ratio. I am not doing anything here, I just got this equation, I have equated both the selling price as they are same, then what I found is 75% of MP is equals to 120% of CP. Okay, I am explaining it again. If you are confused in any part, then please do let me know, I will solve that. Did you get it till this equation? How did we came to this equation? Please let me know. Bandhana, the classes are from Monday to Friday daily at 4 p.m. Every day we come up with interesting topic and 10 questions, a quiz with the 10 questions on different topic. Okay, now I am just getting the ratio. These both are percentage, that means this will be 75 divided by 100 and 120 divided by 100. Can we cancel 100 and 100? We can, right? So, I have just cancelled here percentage and percentage. Now, 5 ones are 5, 2 is carried here, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 2 is carried here, 5 4s are, again 3 5s are and 3 8s are. So, we got 5 MP is equals to 8 CP. So, what is the ratio? If you want the ratio of cost price and marked price, what you get? So, I am writing it here. You get CP by MP is equals to, MP comes down here and this goes here, it is 5:8, or you can say CP is to MP is equals to 5:8. I got the ratio between the cost price and the marked price. Now, I know the difference of MRP and CP, that means if I subtract this and this, we get 180. Now, let us say the ratios are 5x and 8x. So, when you subtract them, that is 8x minus 5x is equals to 180. I am just making a square box for all the important equation that we are getting, that will lead us to the answer. We get 3x is equals to 180. The value of x is 60. Am I clear till here? Now, we know the marked price is equals to 8x. we know the value of x. So, can we say the mark price is equals to 8 into 60, which is 480. Steny, did you get the last step? Anaga, is the process clear now? Are the steps clear to you now? Can I have the link? Yes, the link is pinned up in the YouTube live section, comment section, and even you can join to cracku.in/live. So, your option A is the correct answer and the link is cracku.in/live. Chalo, let's go to the next question now. Remember, when the entire mixture is given and then it is divided into some part, and if you are taking out a part of mixture, the ratio remains the constant. If I am removing 2 liter of anything, then the ratio of that 2 liter mixture will also be the same as of this given in the main mixture. Okay, with this we have 3 correct answers and 5 wrong answers. Chalo, let us see how do we solve this now. Anaga will let you know. Let us see the solution. Ratio of milk to water in x liter of mixture. So, x is the quantity of mixture is 4:1. Okay. Milk is to water is 4:1. This is given. What is the total quantity of mixture? Total mixture is x. Okay. Half of the mixture is taken out. So, when the half of the mixture is taken out, then the remaining mixture is x/2, simple, and 24 liters of water is added to the remaining mixture such that the quantity of milk and water in the resultant mixture becomes same. So, if this is ratio of milk and water, can I say the ratio to be? So, I will not take units and I will take x. It will be 4x and x. So, what will be the total unit? It is 5x. So, if the remaining mixture is this and the ratio remains constant, can I say the milk in the remaining mixture now is 4x by 5x into the total mixture, that is x/2, x and x are cancelled out here, it is 4x/10. Similarly, for water, it will be 1/5x, that is x/5x into the remaining mixture, it is x/10. Am I clear till here? So, we know the milk, we know the water, the quantity of milk and water in the new mixture. What is it saying? It is saying when 24 liter of water is added to this, the ratio of milk and water becomes equal. What is the ratio becoming equal? It is 1:1. So, milk is to water, that is 4x/10 divided by x/10 plus 24 is equals to 1:1. So, 4x/10 x plus 240 divided by 10 is equals to 1. 10 and 10 are cancelled out. So, it will be 4x x plus 240 is equals to 1. Just the simple step now, I am erasing. Okay, let me not do this. Yeah. So what we got here is 4x, x plus 240 is equals to 1. You can simply do this is x plus 240, okay. It is 3x plus 240. So 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are. We need to find the value of x. We got the value of x to be 80. Option B is the correct answer. Did not get till now. Which question are you talking about, Raji? Please do let me know. Anaga and Bandana, it's option B the correct answer. See what I have done, we got the remaining mixture as half of the mixture is removed and we know the ratio of milk is to water is 4:1, and if you remove something, okay, I have a bottle of water, I have added fruity to it or maaza to it, whichever drink you like. I have added that drink to it. Now I am distributing the drink to my friends. I have just poured it in a glass and I gave it to like you. Take this. Now what is the amount? What is the ratio? I know that I have mixed 2 glasses of water and 1 glass of whatever juice I am using. Okay, 2 glasses of water and 1 glass of juice, that is 2:1. So when I am pouring that into a different glass and giving it to my friend, the ratio remains the constant. It will be 2:1 even in that glass or in all the glasses that is distributed. So when half of the mixture is removed, that means the remaining mixture is x by 2, even then the ratio remains 4:1. This question explain again. Okay, sure. Chalo, let us begin from the initials. Remember, ratio remains the same. So what is the example I give? I have a bottle of water and I have mixed a bottle of rasna to it. When we were small, we used to distribute it, right? So I have mixed a bottle of rasna to it. I know there are 2 bottles of water and 1 bottle of rasna, that is a juice. What is the ratio? It is 2:1. Now I have distributed this drink to my friends, 1 glass to each one. So what is the ratio of water and juice in these glasses I have given to my friends? They will remain the same, 2:1, 2:1, 2:1. The ratio is not going to change in this, as in the mixture we have already added 2 bottles of water and 1 bottle of rasna. First thing is this. Once you know this, what you can do now is, we know milk is to water is 4:1, right? Half of the mixture is removed and the total mixture was x. So total mixture is x. When you remove half of the mixture, the remaining becomes, it remains x by 2, that is x minus x by 2. So in this remaining amount, the ratio is still the same. We know 4:1. Okay, let us consider the ratios to be 4m and m, as I am just multiplying. So can we find this? We should know the total amount, right? So the total unit will be 5m, that is 4 plus 1. So what will milk be? It will be 4m by 5m, and the remaining amount, that is x by 2, m and m are cancelled and it is 4x by 10. Similarly, for water, it is m. So what it will be? M by 5m into the remaining mixture. So it is x by 10 again. So we know the quantity of water and milk here. What are we doing next is, we have added 25 liter of water to make the ratio equal, to make milk and water equal. As I said you in the example, 2 bottle of water and 1 bottle of juice. Now, what I did is I added 1 more bottle of juice to make this ratio 2:2, that is 2 bottle of water and 2 bottle of rasna. So, that is I made the ratio equal, right. So, similarly here the person or we added 24 liter of water. So, whenever we are adding water, so we can do this x by 10 plus 24. So, the ratio now becomes 10 divided by x by 10 plus 24 is equals to 1:1. Why I am doing 1:1? Because they are equal. So, when you solve this, what do you get? You get 4x by 10 divided by x plus 240. I am just taking this here and 1:1. So, it is 4x by 10 divided by x plus 240 is equals to 10, as 1:1 is 1, and if you multiply, okay, sorry, this is 1 and this is by 10. Now, I am just cancelling 10 and 10 as both are denominators. So, it get cancelled out. The other part we get is 4x x plus 240 is equals to 1. Just solving this now, 4x is equals to, is this visible? Am I writing here and is this visible? If not, then do not worry, I will write it here. Okay, the last part I am writing it here. So, 4x x plus 240 is equals to 1. So, 4x is equals to x plus 240. I am taking this x this side. So, when you take this side or any other side which is crossing or equals to, the sign gets changed, right. So, 4x minus x is equals to 240, 3x is equals to 240 and 80, x is equals to 80. So, option B is the correct answer here. Yeah, Chand Basa, exactly. This is done very quickly like this. Naganuri, hello. No problem, you can join now. Rajiv, are you clear now? I have just done step by step. I have followed each and every step so that you do not get confused anyway. Chalo, let us see. 3 people got this correct and 5 wrong. Let us go to the next question now. This is an easy question, like really easy question. You can just get the ratio in the question itself. Okay, there is 1 correct answer and 11 wrong answers. Let us see how do we do this. 2 partners invested rupees 12500 and 8500 respectively in a business and agreed that 60% of the profit should be divided equally between them and remaining profit to be treated as interest on capital. Okay. So, if one partner gets 240 more than the other, then what is the total profit in the business? Let us see. So, it is done in 12 month, 1 year. So, the ratio will be, see the ratio is generally the investment amount into the time, that is 12, but here the time are same. So, it is already getting cancelled and even this. So, this is 5 and this is 25. So, the ratio we get is 25:17. Okay. What it is saying is the difference, that is one partner is getting 240 more, that means the difference is given to be 240. When you subtract these two ratio, and the other thing you need to note is 60% is getting divided equally, that means 30% each. So, what is the remaining? It is 40%. The 40% of the amount is getting divided according to their interest, that is according to this ratio, that is 25:17. So, the other thing it is given, the difference is 240. What is the difference? It is 25 minus 17, that is 8 unit, is equals to 240. So, 1 unit is equals to 30, 1 unit is equals to 30, right. What is the total unit here? It is 25 plus 17, it is 42. So, that means, and this unit is 40% of the amount. So, 40% of the amount is equals to 42 into 30, that is 1260. Yes. So, if you know 40%, can you take out 10%? Definitely, right. Just divide it by 4. What you get is 315, 4 3s are 1s are and 5s are. So, when you know 10%, can you find 100%? Definitely. If 10% is 315, then 100% is 3150. Option D is the correct answer. Yes, Naganuri, option D is the correct answer. And only one person got this correct. Let us go to the next question. Am I clear with the solution? Do let me know. So, I am moving to the next question. Till now we have two people with the same score, that is 3.5. And Jislee now with the score 2.25. Anaga, 1 minute ma'am. Oops, I have just done the next question, no problem. If you do have a confusion, you can let me know now. Seconds remaining. This question seems lengthy. Just do it with a correct approach, you will get this question correct. Okay, a question with 0 correct answers and 8 wrong answers. Okay, let us see what is the solution now. A started a business with an investment of 20,000. After a year of that, he added more 15,000 to the business, and B joined the business with the investment of 25,000. After the year of this, A added 10,000 more to the business and C joined the business with the investment of the same as B a year ago. If the profit at the end of 3 years is 350000, then find the profit share of B in the business. Okay, there are 3 people, A, B and C. So, when we find the ratio, what we do? We do investment into time, right. So, for the first case, A invested 20,000 for 12 months, plus for the next year C added 15,000. So, the total amount now is 35,000 into 12th month plus again after a year of that A added more 10,000. So, what is here? It is it is 45,000 into 12th month. B added the business with 25,000, it is 25,000 into 24 month, because he added after a year, that means now remaining time is 2 years with B and 2 years is 24. And C joined the business after a year with the same investment of B, that is 25,000 into 12, right. So, what are you doing now? Can we add this everything? No, just take a common out. 12 here, add these 3. So, what is it? 70, 80, 90, 5, 5, 10, this is 100. How many zeros? 3 is 2. Just don't add anything here. As we are finding the ratio, everything will get cancelled out. 25, 12 ones are, 12 twos are, 12 ones are, 000, 000, 000, 25 ones are, 25 ones are, and 25 fours are. What is the ratio? It is 4:2:1. What is the question saying? Find the profit share of B. What is the profit share of B? It is 2. What is the total ratio? It is 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7 unit. So, profit share of B is 2/7 into 35000, right. 7 ones are, 7 fives are, 5 twos are, 10, write 10 here and count the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, option E is the correct answer. Am I clear? The question just seems lengthy, but it is not lengthy. Okay, Swatiba will definitely give a time of more 30 seconds, but in this already 7 questions are done and their timer of 1 minute is already set. So, definitely from the next session, if there is any arithmetic or any problem, I will give a timer more than 1 minute. But this was an easy question. You just need to note here a lengthy steps, but everything is getting cancelled out. You just need this ratio, everything is given in the question. Let us go to the next question now. Okay, leaderboard and the next question. The time starts now. I would like to add a tip for this question. Just don't multiply anything, get the LCM, you will get the fractions. Remember, when you are finding a fraction or ratio, things get cancelled out. So, no need to multiply so much. There is 1 correct answer and 3 wrong answers. This is the 8th question, 2 more questions to go. Are you finding the questions interesting, the session interesting, or is it too difficult as all the questions are of the apt exam level? Okay, there are 2 correct answers and 5 wrong answers. Let us see what is the solution for this question. There are 3 pipes X, Y and Z. What are the timing given? It is 45, 60 and 90 minutes respectively. If each of the pipe discharges chemical N, P, K respectively, that means this is N, P and K, then find the fraction of solution K and P together in the mixture of liquid in the tank given that all the 3 pipes are open together for 15 minutes. So, there is a tank, there are 3 pipes, 3 inlets, everybody secretes a specific chemical and it is opened for 15 minutes, right. This is the question saying we need to find what is the ratio of K and P. or K and P together in the entire solution. So, whatever the efficiency, like number of liters the pipe is giving inside the tank in a minute, that is the amount of chemical. Let us see. First thing you do is the time given for, chalo I will clear everything and write it, x, y, z, this is 45 minute, this is 60 minute, this is 90 minute, right. So, let the total work be LCM of 45, 60 and 90. The first thing you can see, definitely it is like 15 and then 15 into 3, 15 into 4 and 15 into 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are, so 3 and then 2 ones are 2 twos are. So, 2 and this 2 here, multiply this, what do you get? You get 3 twos are 6 and this is 5 twos are 15. Sorry, 15 into 2 is 30, 30 into 6, 6 threes are 18, 180, we got the LCM, that is total work to be 180 unit. Why am I taking this LCM? So that it is easy to calculate. Now, efficiency. Let us see, the efficiency of x will be the total work divided by the time it is taking to do that work. So, what it is? It is 4 unit per time, y is equals to 180 by 60, it is 3 units, and z is equals to 180 by 90, so that is 2 unit, right. You just need to find this, what it is opened for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, does not matter, it is the ratio, it will get cancelled out. So, it is asking for the solution K and P, and we know x secretes N, y secretes P and z secretes K. So, for K and P, that means for 3 and 2, what is the sum if K and P is secreted? It is 5 unit, right. And what is the total solution? It is 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 9 unit. So, if you are finding the ratio, what is the ratio? What is the ratio it is saying? So, the ratio is said this upon the entire. So, it is obviously 5 by 9. Where is the answer? Option C is the correct answer. Am I clear? We are not multiplying it to be 15 minutes or anything, remember. Okay, if I am saying when I was in school, there was 2 taps, one had a cold drink and the other water. When you opened the cold drink one, the force was really slow, right. There was only one 10 ml cold drink in 1 minute. That means, if I am opening the tap for 1 minute, there is only 10 ml of liquid coming. So, if the tap, if the X inlet is opened working, that is 4 unit for 1 minute, that means the solution will also be 4 units only. So, next question. This is the 9th question. I cannot note down the steps. Do not worry, they all are recorded. You can just watch this video again, and if you are not clear in any of the step, then do let me know. I will solve that part. 30 seconds remaining. Get the total work, find the LCM of 30 and 25, we will get the total work, and the 2/5 of the total work, that is the 2/5 of the tank is filled. So, remember to take that out, do not calculate in the entire tank, only the 2/5 part is filled. Okay, the time's up and 2 people got this correct and 6 wrong. So, let us see what is the solution. Pipe A alone can fill a tank in 30 minutes and pipe B alone can empty a tank, that is minus work done. One is filling the tank and one is taking out the water. So, it is pumping out the water in 25 minutes. Okay. If the water tank is 2/5 full, then find the time taken to fill or empty the tank completely if both pipe are open together. That means A plus B are working together. By seeing this time, one thing is clear, that means the tank will get empty, it will not get full. It is asking the time taken to fill or empty, that means it will never get full, because the empty pipe is working faster. The empty pipe is emptying the tank in just 25 minutes, whereas the fill pipe is taking 30 minutes, it is taking 5 minutes more to fill the tank. So, obviously, the tank will get empty, the first thing. So, now total work, as I said, total work, take the LCM of 30 and 25, you will get it easily. It is, just you do 5 5s are 5 6 are, so it is 5 6 and 5, it is 150. What is the tank filled? It is 2/5. So, tank capacity for this question is 2/5. So, it is 2/5 of 150, okay. Then it is 60 units. So, the work not to be done is only 60 unit. As we clearly know here that the tank is getting empty. So, it is filled, if it is getting filled, then it would be 3/5 work, because we need to fill the tank, it is already 2/5 amount filled, but here we are emptying the tank. As it is getting empty, the empty pipe is working more. Okay, let me see this. So, there are 60 units. Now, work of A, that is efficiency of A, it will be 5 unit, and efficiency of B will be minus 6 unit, as this is doing negative work. So, if A and B are working together, it is minus 1 unit, that is 5 plus minus 6 is minus 1. So, if they are working together, then they are doing minus 1 work. Total work to be done is 60 divided by their work efficiency, it will be 60, that is our time, 60 minutes. Option C is the correct answer. Chand Basa said time is getting off, when are we getting answers? Okay. Steny says, ma'am, can we have one more arithmetic session another day, please? Yeah, sure. Ma'am, we need profit and loss session. Definitely, we will come up with one more arithmetic session, and will include more numbers of profit and loss problems, and any other topic you want, then do let me know. Yes, Swatiba, definitely we can. Anaga says, I can't get this question. See, the question simply says, there is a tank which is 2/5 filled. Okay, the water in the tank is this much. There are two inlets in the tank, A and B. A and B. What is A doing? It is pumping in the water. What is B doing? It is taking out the water. So, to pump in the water, A takes 30 minutes to fill the tank completely, whereas B takes 25 minutes to empty the tank completely. Am I clear till here? So, with this data, one thing for the sure is the tank will get empty as work efficiency of B is more. So, total capacity in the tank will be LCM, as we need a number that can be easy to solve. So, it is 25 and 30. So, we are just let the total capacity be LCM of this is 150. So, the tank amount to be empty is, to empty 2/5 of 150, that is 60. Am I clear till here, Anaga? So, we need to empty 60 unit. What is the efficiency of A? It is the total amount, it is taking time is 5 unit, and efficiency of B, this is efficiency of A, and this is efficiency of B is again 150 by 25. So, it will be 6. Always remember that B is doing negative work, one is filling up the tank and one is taking out the water. So, B will have a negative sign here, as negative sign indicates the negative work done of B. So, what is the total efficiency of A and B? It is 5 of A plus minus 6 of B, which will give minus 1. That means, in 1 minute they are emptying minus 1 unit. We know that amount to be emptied in the tank is 60 unit, right. So, the time taken will be 60 unit divided by the efficiency. Remember, minus sign only indicates the negative work done. Negative work done means in 60 minutes the tank will be empty. So, this is 60 minutes. The time taken is always work done by the efficiency. Hi Venkatesh. Ma'am, I need this some explanation. Are you clear now, Naganuri and Anaga? Do let me know. The time is work done, that is it need to do, divided by the efficiency of A and B together. The efficiency of A and B together is minus 1. Okay. So, I am clearing this. Let us go to the last question of this session, and here is the timer of 1 minute. Please do not waste the time and do it quickly, or you never know if you get the answer and the timer is off, like Chandbasa said. So, come on. This one is very easy. You are going to take less than 40 seconds to solve this. And I definitely want you to take less than 30 seconds also. Seconds remaining. There is no tricks and tips in this question, you just solve it by basics, you will get this answer. And 5 people already got it correct. Okay, with this we have 5 correct answers and 5 wrong answers. So, this is the top 3 people in the leaderboard. They are Chandbasa with score 4.25, Krishna Karthik with score 3.75 and Steny with score 2.75. Even the score of Jasleen is same as Steny, that is 2.75. Then Swatiba with score 2.25, Akshaya and Jiga with score 1.75, and these are the top 7 people. Yes, Swatiba, it is an easy question as I said. Chalo, let us see now what is the solution. The ratio of milk to water is 5:4, 2 liter of water is added, the ratio becomes this simply. Chalo, let the ratio be, I am just using this step, it will just get one added step, this is not required also. Let the ratio be 5x and 4x. Okay. So, milk is not added, right, water is added. So, 4x plus how much quantity? 2 liters, which will result 10 into 9. Solve this, 45x is equals to 40x plus 20. Take this here, it will get 45x minus 40x is equals to 20. So, it is 5x is equals to 20, 4, x is equals to 4. We got the value of x. What do we need to find is find the new amount of water in the mixture. What is the new amount of water? See, we know the value of x, right? So, we need to put the value of x where we have the x. If you are doing it 9 into x, then definitely the 9 is, it is 9 unit, it is not 9x. So, you can't multiply it here, it should be this one. So, amount of water, that is new water, is 4 into 4 plus 2, 4 4s are 16 plus 2 will be 18 liters, and option E is the correct answer. 5 people got this correct. So, everybody is clear with this? Okay, I am clearing this. With this, these are the top 7 people, that is Chand Basa, Krishna Kartik, Steny, Jisleen, Swatiba, Akshaya and Jiga, and these are the top 3 people, that is Chand Basa, Krishna Kartik and Steny, and they are eligible for IBPS mock test series. This series will have 25 mock tests, so that you can practice regularly both in हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश. तो अगर आपको हिंदी में देना हो, आप हिंदी में दीजिएगा. कोई भी लैंग्वेज आप कंफर्टेबल हो, आप उस लैंग्वेज में दीजिएगा. एग्ज़ाम बाइलिंगुअल होती हैं. एग्ज़ाम्स आर बाइलिंगुअल, दैट मीन्स दे आर 2 लैंग्वेजेस, इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी. तो आप हिंदी में दीजिएगा एग्ज़ाम, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, और गो विथ इंग्लिश. Congratulations Chand Basa, Krishna Kartik and Steny. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please do like, share and comment. And yes, we will definitely come with a session with more arithmetic problem, including profit and loss and any other topic which is important and you would like to, then do let me know. Even if you want something for algebra, then even do let me know. We will come up with that questions also, as they are very helpful in the examination. Till then, we do have sectional test. You can just go to cracku.in and previous year paper and free mock test and more questions to practice. So, till then, prepare for the exam, keep practicing, as practicing is the only thing that will help you with the accuracy and speed both. Exams are nearing. Remember to target 80 plus score, and targeting 80 questions with at least 95 to 99% accuracy. You need English classes also. Soon we will have English. Actually, we are doing it. There are 3 subjects, that is quants, verbal and reasoning, right, for the examination. So, in this series what are we doing is alternative day, like if we started from quants, then the next day will be verbal and then English. After English we will have again quants, verbal and English. We are making a series like this so that we can cover all the topics, whether it is from quants, English or reasoning. So, do not worry, and yes, definitely Steny, we will have a classes with English and other questions too. Thank you everyone. Yes, Anaga, definitely compound interest and even some problems with simple interest too. And yes, do remember to press the bell icon so that whenever we come online, you get a notification about it. Like our classes are from Monday to Friday, 4 p.m. daily. Every day we have quiz which has 10 questions, and this quiz are on different topic, especially all the topics relating to quants, reasoning and verbal for IBPS Clerk free, so that before the examination you can cover all these topics. And remember, before the examination we will come up with tips and tricks with few important questions which are important for the examination, and after the examination we will have a paper analysis. Naganuri, with some, can you say the question number, like which one? The one with the discount percent or the ratio of milk and water? Or the one with A, B and C investing in a business? Please do let me know. I'm waiting. Chandbasa says timer is getting off when we are getting the answers. No problem, make it quick. Chalo, thank you everyone.